Draw that sound, part 1, more practice with lines. Why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this so that we can experiment with different media and different drawing tools, and also to continue to practice to make a variety of types of lines. Hi students, it's Ms.Boley here. We are going to practice some more lines and sort of reinforce what we learned last week about line. So what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to share some sound effects with you, and we are going to attempt to draw the sound effects using different kinds of lines. So I'm going to start by giving you an example, and then I'm going to have some other sound effects for you to try out on your own. Okay, so that first sound was kind of like a cash register sound. It was like cha-ching. So think about how can I use different kinds of lines. So thick lines, thin lines, pointy lines, wavy lines. Remember from last time we had so many different kinds of lines. What kind of line would best describe that sound? So I'm going to do an example, and my example is probably going to be different from your example. So why don't you try and I will also try, and then we can compare. Now to draw my lines, I'm using some scrap paper. You can use your visual journal, and I'm using a marker so you can see what I'm drawing, but you can use any kind of drawing tool you like. All right, so that sound was more kind of like beep, 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 chung, 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 right? So it was a bit longer. There was a little more going on. There was also some, I think, some coins going ching, ching at the end part as well. So you can go back and listen to that again, and why don't you try to draw that line as well? And I will too. All right, so that was our third example sound. So kind of like splish, kind of a small splash sound. So go ahead and try to draw yours. You can rewind and listen to it again. It helps me to say the sound and to like copy the sound using my voice, and then I try to draw it out. Remember that my lines and your lines are going to be totally different. There isn't a right or a wrong way to draw this line. This is just to explore further with different types of lines. So the remainder of the video is going to be some additional sounds for you to attempt to draw. So you can listen to the sound, pause the video, and draw the line. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so you should have drawn 16 lines in total, including the 3 example lines. And if you have, that means you're done. Thanks for watching.